Today I'm going to start another topic and the most important topic. Versions of Salesforce. Suppose you know about Java language, you know about Oracle database. Java language first version is 1.0, then 2.0, then 3.0, then 4.0, like that maybe 11.0. So we have different versions of Java, right? If you observe all Java versions, every version of Java in numeric format, number format, yes or no? Come on, guys. Mayank,
Yes.
Vaibhav,
Yes.
it is which format here? Numeric format or number format? Coming to Oracle, Oracle 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0. The latest version of Oracle is 23C. Here C stands for cloud. If you observe Oracle versions also in which format? Come on, speak out everyone.
Numeric format.
Numeric format. So either Java or Oracle, every version are in numeric format only. But where is the case of Salesforce? In case of Salesforce, Salesforce versions are not in numeric format. Understand? Salesforce versions are in seasons format. Which format? Seasons format. Seasons means every year Salesforce releases 3 versions depending on seasons. That is winter version, summer version, and what is the next one here? Come on. Spring version. Like that, Salesforce releases 3 versions based on what? Seasons. Winter, summer, and spring version. Because every year starts with what? Winter season only, right? That is from January. After January, summer will start. After winter. After winter, spring will start. Like that, every year, Salesforce releases 3 versions: winter, summer, and spring. Is this clear? Hello?
Yes.
Can you hear me? Good. Like that. The current version of Salesforce, the current version of Salesforce, the current version of Sales, 1 minute, please. Spring version, 1 minute. So the current version of Salesforce is Spring version, Spring 23. What is this 23? Sorry, 24. What is this 24 here? This 24 represents year number. Year number. Like that, every year Salesforce releases 3 versions. And most important thing is every version duration is 4 months. How many months? 4 months. Every version duration is 4 months. 4 into 3 versions, 12 months. Okay, like that, Salesforce releases 3 versions every year based on the seasons. Now, Mayank got a doubt here. What is Mayank doubt is, sir, I understand the meaning of the versions. Like that, every year Salesforce releases 3 versions based upon seasons. But what is my question is, suppose we are learning Spring version 24. On this Spring version 24, suppose I developed one project. Suppose I developed one application. Whatever project, whatever application developed on Spring version 24, will this particular project works on future versions or not? Maybe tomorrow will come, maybe winter version 25 or summer version 26 or spring version 25, like this. So whatever project we developed on the old versions, is that project work on future versions or not? That is Mayank's doubt. Is all of you understand his doubt? Vaibhav,
Yes, understand.
Satvika, everyone in the class, please. Okay. Suvarna, understand, ma. So that is his doubt. My answer is, listen carefully and try to understand. Whatever project we developed on old versions, that project will work on future versions also without any problem. Understand, all of you? But the difference between version to version is very, very small variations and very, very small upgradations are there. If you open the Salesforce reference manual, you can understand the differences between the previous versions and the new versions. What are the new upgradations currently available in the new version? That information is available in Salesforce reference manual. If you open the Salesforce reference manual, you can easily understand the difference between the previous versions and the new version. So am I clear this part of the explanation regarding the Salesforce versions? Monica, Steve, Satvika, everyone in the class? Vaibhav?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Mayank, understand? Come on. Suvarna, understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you. Thank you very much. Fine, guys. So that is all about the versions of Salesforce. Next, coming to the next important thing, next important topic is, I know, I want to show what is the current version you are learning. As I said, we are learning Spring version 24. Let me show how we can find out the current version. Login.salesforce.com. The username, suppose PB1. And the password I given as ABCD1234. Click on login button. Click on home. Look at the top right side corner. Everyone, please read this. Mayank, Spring 24 for, come on, developers. Spring 24 for developers. Is this clear now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this is how we can find the current version of Salesforce. Okay. What is the next version here? What is the next version? Summer 24 will come. They follows what? They follows yes, not Indian seasons. Okay. Fine. Thank you. Thank you, Mayank. Next topic is editions of Salesforce. What is this? Editions of Salesforce. What are the editions here? So before I discuss about editions, I hope everyone know my phone number. 888 411 455. This is my number. This is the postpaid number. I taken this connection from Airtel company. Which company? I'm using Airtel Mobile. 888 411 455. I'm a postpaid customer. I took this connection around 5 years back. I taken this connection 5 years back. Okay. But before I'm taking the connection from Airtel company, I need to meet, okay, some Airtel executive. Say yes or no, all of you.
Yes.
Airtel executive, okay, is going to explain about the plans. Explain about the plans, okay, which are developed by or which are designed by Airtel company as per the customers' usage. Yes or no? Suppose 149 rupees plan per month, 249 rupees plan per month, 349 rupees plan per month, 449 rupees plan per month. So these are the different types of plans. Suppose if I taken 449 rupees plan per month, if I subscribe 449 rupees plan per month, I will get this kind of facilities. What are the facilities I will get? If I make a call from Airtel to Airtel, it's a free call. I no need to, it's not chargeable. It's a free call. If I make a call from Airtel to maybe some other company like Jio, Vodafone Idea, BSNL, or maybe some other mobile. What is the some other mobile here? Some other company mobile, suppose, okay? Also understand, it may be chargeable, maybe 10 paisa per minute. And every day I will get 1 GB data free, unlimited SMS free. So this kind of facilities I will get. Say yes or no? Come on, all of you.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Suppose some other person subscribe 149 rupees plan per month. Suppose some X person subscribe 149 rupees plan per month. He will also get the same kind of facilities. Tell me, guys, will he get the same kind of facilities? No.
No.
Plan to plan, facilities are going to change, right? Okay. Suppose if someone subscribe 149 rupees plan per month, if you make a call from Airtel to Airtel, it is chargeable. If you make a call from Airtel to some other mobile, it is more chargeable. He may not get the 1 GB data free. He will get only 500 SMS free. Like that, plan to plan, facilities are going to change. In the same way, the way how Airtel company developed or designed different types of plans according to their customers' usage. In the same way, Salesforce company also developed or designed some editions, some plans according to the customer's usage. Those plans are technically called as editions. Come on, guys. Those plans technically called as what? Editions. Okay. What are the editions developed by Salesforce company as per the customer's usage? Salesforce company developed total 5 types of plans. How many? Vaibhav, 5 types of plans developed by Salesforce company. 5 types of editions I can say. That is, first one, Essential Edition or Starter Edition. Second one, Unlimited Edition. Third one, Professional Edition. Fourth one, Enterprise Edition. Fifth one, developer edition. So total how many editions, guys? 5 different editions. Essential or starter, unlimited, professional, enterprise, and developer editions. Out of 5 editions, first 4 editions are paid editions, guys. These are all paid editions. Paid editions means what? We need to buy the license from the Salesforce company. We need to pay and buy the company, buy the buy the edition from the Salesforce company. But whereas a developer edition, it is a free edition. So this is the edition what we are using in the classroom. This is the edition what we are using in the classroom. So like that, there are 5 types of editions developed by Salesforce company: essential, unlimited, professional, enterprise, and developer. Out of 5, first 4 are what? Paid editions. Last edition is a free edition. Am I clear, all of you, this point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I will show you right now. I will show you pricing and editions of Salesforce. Search in the Google. Go down. If you go to the bottom of the page, we have something here. Yesterday only I have shown. Salesforce pricing guide, yes. Look at the Salesforce pricing guide, June 24. This month only. Look at this. What is this? Starter edition pricing. Salesforce starters plans. Starter plan. Previously known as what? What is this? Essential plan. Currently, we can call it as what? Starter plan. The cost around how much here? $25 per user per month. They will bill annually. This is the cost of starter edition. Everyone, please read this. Salesforce starter plan, previously known as what? Essential plan. This plan cost is how much? $25 per user per month. Professional edition pricing cost, $80 per user per month. Enterprise edition pricing cost is $165 per user per month. And unlimited edition pricing cost is $330 per user per month. Am I clear this? Among all these editions, the most expensive edition is what here? Enterprise edition. How much here? $330 per user per month they will charge. Whereas essential cost how much? Come on. $25. Understand? Sorry, not this one. Unlimited edition cost. That is more expensive here. Okay. Enterprise edition maybe $160. Okay. Professional edition it may be $80. Okay. Okay. So out of 5, first 4 are paid editions. Developer edition is a free edition. Is this clear now? Mayank, Monica, Satvika, Suvarna, Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the current edition we are using in the classroom? Developer edition. Now, Vaibhav got a doubt. What is Vaibhav's doubt is, sir, what is the difference between all these editions? Apart from price, I am talking. Apart from price, what is the difference between all these editions? The difference between all these editions is, technically, I am talking here, technically, okay. The difference between all these editions is governor limits will vary from one edition to, come on, another. Am I clear, all of you? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
What is the meaning of governor limit? This is not the right time to discuss about what is the meaning of governor limit. I will discuss in future classes. In succeeding classes, in development part, we have something called, batch apex concept is there. At the time of batch apex, I will discuss about what is the exact meaning of governor limit. Okay. So this is not the right time to discuss about this. Okay. Just leave it at this particular point of time. You can ignore this. Okay. Fine, guys. So this is all about editions of Salesforce. Understand Vaibhav, Mayank, Suvarna, everyone in the class?
Yes.
Good, good. Next topic. Next important topic, that is environments of Salesforce. Environments of Salesforce. What are the environments? There are two types of environments in Salesforce. One is sandbox environment. Second one is production environment. Understand the point here? What is the first one? Sandbox environment. Second one is what? Production environment. What is sandbox and what is production? Listen carefully. This point is very important. Sandbox environment means it is a developer's environment where developers are sitting and develop the application as per the requirement of the clients. It is a developer's edition where developers are sitting and develop the application as per the requirement of the clients. Understand, all of you? I can say it is purely PaaS environment. It is a PaaS environment. Yesterday I discussed about the PaaS. PaaS stands for what? Platform as a service. Okay, fine. It's purely developer's environment. It's a development environment. Okay, fine. So there are four types of sandboxes. There are four types of sandboxes. The first sandbox name is called developer sandbox. Second one, developers pro sandbox. Partial copy sandbox and full copy sandbox. So total how many here? Four types of sandboxes. Developer sandbox, developers pro sandbox, partial copy sandbox, and full copy sandbox. Okay. At this particular point of time, I am not going to discuss about first three. Developer sandbox, developers pro sandbox, partial copy sandbox. I am not going to discuss at this particular point of time. Now, first of all, let me discuss about what is full copy sandbox. What is full copy sandbox means? Full copy sandbox means it contains the replica. Replica means what? Any one of you please tell me what is the meaning of replica? Vaibhav?
Exact copy of some other.
Exactly. What is this? Duplicate copy, right? Replica means duplicate copy of the original. Come on, what is this? Application. It contains the replica of the original application. Why we need to place the replica of the original application in full copy sandbox? The reason is it is for what purpose? Come on. testing purpose. Okay, at this particular point of time, I need to tell one important thing. You people know about SDLC. What is SDLC stands for? Software development. Come on.
Life cycle.
Life cycle. In the software development life cycle, we have 4 phases. How many phases? Come on, guys. We
4.
have 4 phases. The first phase is called designing phase. This is the first phase. Second one, anyone knows? Development phase. Third one, testing. Fourth one, deployment. Total how many phases? Vaibhav, Mayank, and rest of all the 3 people. Okay. Designing phase, development phase, testing phase, and deployment phase. Designing phase, how to design. We have to plan how to develop the application. In the development phase, developers are sitting and develop the application. After developing the application, it is going for what? Testing. Here, is anyone belongs to testing department? Hello?
Yes.
Is anyone belongs to testing department? Okay, if someone belongs to testing department, they can understand what I'm speaking now. Okay, olden days, very olden days I'm talking, the people are following, okay, waterfall model. Which model? Is anyone hear this name?
Yes.
Waterfall model. Any old technologies follows what? Waterfall model. Waterfall model means after completion of the entire development, it is going for testing at a time. Okay, at the time of testing, if you have any problem in the application, again, it return back to testing to development department, and development department again test, again they finding the bugs and rectify the bugs. Again, go back to testing department. Like that, after completion of entire development, it goes for what? Testing. That is old one, but nobody follows this mechanism, this kind of pattern. Now the people are following something called what? Agile process. What is this? Come on.
Agile process.
That is called Scrum Mastering here. Scrum process. Okay. So every 10 days or every 15 days, it is going for testing. That is called testing. First of all, what is the meaning of testing? Tell me. What is the meaning of testing? Testing means it is a process of checking. It is a process of what? Checking whether the application is really meeting the customer's requirement or not. It is a process of checking whether the application is really meeting the customer's requirement or not. Understand? Once testing is passed, once testing is completed, then it goes to where? Deployment. Tell me, what is the meaning of deployment? Deployment means moving the application from sandbox environment to, production environment. That is the meaning of what? Deployment. Like that, we have 4 phases in SDLC, software development life cycle: designing, development, testing, and deployment. So the full copy sandbox contains the duplicate copy of the original application. It is used for what purpose? Only for testing purpose. Once testing is completed, then we have to move the application from sandbox to where? Production. So coming to the production here, in the production environment, and what is the meaning of production environment? Production environment means it is a client's place. I can say, what is this? Come on, guys. It's a client's place. It's a client's environment where client and the client's employees where a client and client employees are using the application, where a client and client employees are using the application. Okay. I can say it is a SaaS or PaaS, sorry, AAS environment. Am I clear this point? All of you, Vaibhav, Mayank, Monica, Satvika, Suvarna, and everyone?
Yes.
Vaibhav, Mayank understand? Monica understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
understand.
Good. Suvarna understand, ma?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Good. But here I am asking a question. Once again, I'm repeating. In production environment, it's a client's place where a client and client's employees are using the application. Yes, good, fine. But my question is client and client employees knows? Is the client and client employees knows how to use the application? Is the client and client employees knows how to use the application? They don't know how to use the application. That is why to monitor them, to guide them, and also to monitor the application, how application is running. And also we have to give the security for the application. Okay, we have to granting the privileges to the users based on the roles in the company. Maybe employee resigning from the company. Before whatever permissions we given to this particular employee, we have to take back the permissions from the employee. Okay, all these things are managing by another person, and that person who is always sitting at the client's place, and that person, okay, we can call him as super user. And the other way around, we can call him as system administrator. Understand everyone in the class? Everyone in the class? Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
system administrator is
Yes,
a
sir.
person. System administrator is a person who is always sitting at the client base. What are the system administrator roles and responsibilities? At this particular point of time, I need to tell some important points here. What are the job profiles in Salesforce? That is the first question. After completion of this course, okay, which job I am applying? I am eligible for applying. Yeah. There it is. After completion of this course, which job I am eligible for applying? Okay, so listen carefully. The first point, what are the job profiles are available in Salesforce? One is, admin job or administrator. Developer. Salesforce consultant. Salesforce architect. Salesforce business analyst. Total how many? Come on, guys. Come on, all of you. How many? How many types of job
Five.
profiles? 5 types of job profiles. Yes or no? What is the first one?
Administrator.
Administrator. Second job?
Developer.
Developer. Next one?
Consultant.
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 Next?
Architect.
Yes. Okay. And Salesforce consultant, Salesforce architect, Salesforce, I can say data analyst. It's not business analyst. I can say what is this? Data analyst. So these are the 5 jobs are available.
Is there any testing related job in Salesforce?
Is there any?
Testing related jobs? Because I got some.
That is actually, see, testing related jobs also there, but very, very few, less than 10%.
Okay.
Hello. Because sometimes developers themselves, they are doing what? Testing. They do a separate testing department, generally in Salesforce.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose very few companies, very few companies I'm talking, very few companies I can say, okay, they are maintaining a separate testing department in Salesforce especially. But most of the time, developers are doing testing only. Hello.
Yes, understand.
I'll show you here. Developer console. Or maybe open execute anonymous window. I wrote some program here. See, click on execute button. After executing the program, I got success. Of course, no need to follow anything here. And we can see the program output. But here, what is the button name here? Come on.
Yes.
Test. Yes or no? So overall, 1 minute, please. Hello. So see here, overall code coverage. Okay, 33%. Okay, what is the class name? Some program here. Okay, my class and all. So here only we can test, guys. Understand? So program himself can do the testing process here most of the times. Of course, testing also we are going to cover in your programs, in your syllabus. Understand, all of you? Don't bother about this. Hello. I will show you how to write how to test the program. Okay. Because we need to write a separate test class here. Look at this. I think no classes. Oh yeah, we have some class. My class. I do not write any test class here. Okay, leave it. So I will show you in future classes how to test the program and all. Okay, don't bother.
Okay.
Fine. Next, after completion of this course, which job I am eligible for apply? You can eligible for apply only for 2 jobs after completion of this particular course. That is admin. Second one. Come on. Developer. Only 2 jobs you can apply. But Salesforce consultant, Salesforce architect, Salesforce analyst. Okay. Especially Salesforce architect, analyst, consultant, these are all a person who is having at least 5 to 7 years experience. And also should know in the project development from end to end. Then only you can apply for what? You can go for this one. Understand, everyone in the class? Minimum 5 to 7 years experience. Everybody should involve in what? The complete project development, end-to-end process. Okay. Then only you can apply for what? Either Salesforce consultant, architect, or Salesforce data analyst. But after completion of 3 months course, you are eligible for what? Admin and developer. If you want to move into this position, if you want to move into this position, okay, you have to work on either administrator or developer, guys. Especially developer I'm talking. Clear all of you. So this is the advanced level, this is the basic level. But again, admin and developer I'm talking. If you want to go for admin side, you do not require coding skills. But if you want to go for developer side as a developer, you should require come on, coding skills. Understand? Everyone? Monica, Vaibhav, all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So admin is completely drag and drop, point and click. It is completely GUI. But whereas developer, it is not GUI. It is completely based on coding. Understood? Good. That's all. Fine. Suppose in case in future after completion of this course, if you got a job as an administrator, what is your roles and responsibilities? What are your roles and responsibilities? What are the roles and responsibilities of, come on, system administrator? What are the roles and responsibilities of system administrator? Listen carefully, this point is very important. First job responsibility is, he is a person should create the, okay, account for the users. Creating the account means creating the username and password. Understand? Hello. Then after, he is a person create the roles. He is a person creating the profiles. He is a person granting the privileges. Privileges means permissions. Granting means, come on, giving. He is the person revoke back the privileges. He is the person performing data management operations, such as import and, come on, what is this? Export. What is the meaning of import here? Import means moving the data from external systems to Salesforce. Export means moving the data from Salesforce to external systems using some tools. That is anyone here this name data import wizard? Come on, guys. Monica, data loader. Anyone knows
No.
these two tools? Data import wizard and data loader. These are the tools which we can use to perform import and export operations. Import means moving the data from outside system to Salesforce. Export means moving the data from Salesforce to other systems with the help of some tools, which is given by Salesforce, that is data import wizard and data loader. Is this clear, Mayank? Hello? As a fresher, why not? Why not, Mayank? Definitely. But what is my suggestion is, as a fresher, if you want to go for Salesforce side, my suggestion is better to go for admin side first. Once you get 1.5 year real-time exposure, then you can move into what? Developer. Okay, Mayank? Hello? Fine. Next point. Seventh important point. Seventh important job. Data automation and what is this? Approvals. What is the meaning of automation? Automation means automatically performs the operations. Automatically performs the operations without user interaction. Automatically performs the operations without user interaction. Let me give a small example. Let me give a small example. Suppose I withdraw some amount from ATM. Tell me, will I receive SMS on my mobile? Come on, guys.
Yes.
Tell me, who will send the SMS to my mobile after withdrawing the amount? Is there any specific person in the bank is going to send the SMS manually? Obviously not, right? So this kind of operations automatically performs. One more example, generating OTP. Who will generate the OTP? Is any particular person is going to generate the OTP and send to your mobile? No. So this kind of operations can be called as automations. Automations means automatically performs operations without user interaction. That is called what? Automation. So if you want to perform this automation techniques, Salesforce given some tools. That is workflows, process builder, flow builder, what is the next one here? Approval process. Understand all of you? Hello.
Yes.
Next one, eighth important job of system administrator is data analysis. That is business intelligence. Reports and dashboards. Ninth one, data security. Data security, org level security, app level security, tab level security, field level security, object level security, then field level security, then finally what? Record level security. Under record level security, we have OWD, we have role hierarchy, we have manual sharing, and sharing rules. Organization-wide defaults. OWD stands for this one. So all these comes under what here, guys? Data security. So these are the 9 different jobs which are handled by system administrator in real time. All of you understand the roles and responsibilities of system administrator? Mayank, Monica, Satvika, Suvarna,
Yes,
everyone in the
sir.
class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So all these topics we are going to cover in your syllabus. All these list of topics, whatever I written now, all these topics we are going to discuss, okay, in your classroom, in your syllabus. Understand, Monica, Mayank, Satvika, Suvarna, Vaibhav?
Yes.
Yes, understand.
Yeah, good, good. Thank you. Fine. So last 1 hour, we just discussed about 3 points. First point, versions of Salesforce. Hope you understand this. Next, editions of Salesforce. And third one, what is this? Environments of Salesforce. Is this clear now? Are no one speaking?
Yes.
Speak out. Good,
Yes.
good. Next topic. Guys, you want any break?
No.
So do you want any break? Not required? Okay. Let me complete. Let me start. Let me continue. Sorry. Next topic is MVC architecture. What is the topic name? MVC architecture. What is MVC stands for? Model. V stands for view. C stands for controller. I can say it is a 3-tier architecture. What is the first layer? The first layer can be called as view layer. The middle layer can be called as controller. And the last layer can be called as, what is this? Model. View, controller, and model. There are 3 layers here. Guys, this view layer can be called as presentation layer. Controller can be called as business logic layer. Model can be called as database layer. So total how many layers here? 3 layers. Presentation layer, business logic layer, and a database layer. Okay. This view, I can also call it as UI. What is UI? Anyone knows?
User interface.
User interface. Very good. User interface means connect. Yes or no? User interface means user interact, user connect, or user connection. Different meanings you will get. User interface means I can say it's a front-end screen where the end user sits and perform CRUD operations. What is this? Perform what operations here? CRUD operations. What is the meaning of CRUD? CRUD stands for
Yeah, update will be.
R stands for read. U stands for update. D stands for delete. These are the 4 operations performed by end user. Okay. For your understanding, I'm giving a simple example. Listen carefully and try to understand. I have the account in HDFC Bank. Okay. I went to the ATM counter, withdraw some amount. Actually, in my account, my balance is 1 lakh. How much showing? In my account, how much balance is there? 1 lakh. I went to the ATM counter, withdraw maybe 5,000. If I withdraw 5,000 from my account, this balance becomes how much? Come on, guys. 95,000. Yes or no? Monica, Mayank, everyone.
Yes.
Suvarna, good. I have 1 lakh. I withdraw 5,000. So balance becomes how much? 95,000. So this operation belongs to, among these 4 operations, this operation belongs to which operation? Or this operation belongs to among these 4? This operation
Update.
belongs to,
Update.
very good. Update operation. Very good. Update operation. Okay. I deposit 5,000. Then it becomes what? 1,05,000. So this is also update operation or not?
Yes.
Okay. Either withdraw or deposit, both comes under update operation. Good. After deposit or maybe after withdraw, I check my balance. Tell me, checking the balance belongs to which operation?
Read.
Read.
Create operation. So read operation. What is this? Read. I'm fetching the data for checking my balance. Read operation. Okay, I'm going to US here. I'm going to USA permanently. That is why I given the request letter to the manager of HDFC Bank. Please cancel my account. I'm going to US. Please cancel my account. I'm going to US. 1 minute, please. Hello. Sorry. I given the request letter to the manager. Please cancel my account. The concerned person in the bank, he is the cancelled account. Now tell me, this operation belongs to what? Delete operation, yes or no? Okay. Maybe I want to open a new account. Now this belongs to what operation? Create. Understand all of you? Opening the new account is create operation. Cancel the existing account is delete operation. Checking the balance, that is nothing but read operation. Performing either withdraw deposit operation, nothing but, come on, update operation. In short, we can call it as what? CRUD operations. CRUD means create, read, update, and delete. Am I clear this? Everyone in the class?
Yes.
Good. Fine, guys. These are the operations generally performed by whom here? Come on. End user. So, if you want to perform all these operations, end user always sits in front of the user interface. This user interface can be called as view. Whatever operations end user performs here, okay, first it goes to where? Controller. But what is the controller job here? Controller is nothing but business logic. What is the job of controller? Job of controller is very simple. Okay, if I want to perform withdraw operation, deposit operation, checking the balance, before all, I have to enter my PIN number. Yes or no? Come on, guys. What is that? Can you hear me? I want to enter what? PIN number. I need to enter the PIN number. Who will check whether this PIN number is correct or wrong? Who will check? The controller, the business logic layer is going to check whether this PIN number is correct or wrong. Yes or no? If it is correct, then I can enter, I can perform all these operations. If I enter the wrong PIN number, it will show error message. So who perform all these operations? Come on, guys.
Control.
Controller. Understand Vaibhav, Mayank, Monica, Satvika, Suvarna, Vaibhav?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good, thank you. And finally, the balance is going to update it in where? Database. Whatever operations he performed on user interface, all these operations finally affected on what? Model. Understand everyone? Whatever operations performed by the end user on UI or on view, these operations are finally affected on, come on, model, that is, what is this? Database. Is it clear, all of you? Hello?
Yes.
So user interact with what? View. View intern interact with what? Controller. Again, controller interact with what? Model. Here, user interact with view. View interact with, come on, controller. Again, controller interact with, come on. This is how the flow is going. And also, it is a bidirectional operator. Going towards right side, going towards left side also. And this is going to what? Fetch the data. I can say, and it is what? Vice versa. Data coming from model, and this data goes to controller, and this controller send back to the data on view. So end user is going to view the output. Am I clear, all of you?
Yes.
So data goes towards right side, data goes towards left side. It's a bidirection. Okay, that is a different point. But with respect to Salesforce, what MVC contains? With respect to Salesforce, what MVC contains? Listen carefully, this point is very important. Coming to first model. What model contains? It contains, or it splits into two parts. One is schema part. Second one is instance part. Schema part contains apps, tabs, as objects, fields, relationships, validation rules, field dependency. Apps, tabs, as object, fields, relationships, validation rules, field dependency. Page layouts, cross object formula fields. Track field history. Global pick list. These are all comes under what here? Schema part. Instance contains data and dot records. So the complete schema part, instance part, all these topics we will cover in the first module. That is, what is the first module, guys? Yesterday I told you, total 6 modules we are going to cover. Yes or no?
Configuration.
Out of 6 modules, what is the first module? Configuration. That module will cover all these topics, all these features we'll discuss in where? In configuration part. That is model. Okay, fine. Next, coming to controller, middle one. It is purely related to programming. Here we are using Apex language. In Apex language, you are going to discuss about OOPS topic. Then exception handling. Then assertions. Annotations. Database concepts. Like Sockwell. Saucer. DML commands. List set and map. Controllers. Standard controller. Custom controller. Standard list controller. Custom list controller. extension controller. Understand everyone in the class? Hello?
Yes.
All these topics we are going to cover, guys, in development part only. Extension controller, then interfaces, batch apex, schedule apex. Last and final topic is triggers. Understand everyone? What is the last and final topic? Triggers. Then coming to view part. In the view part, we are going to learn what language? Visual Force language. It's just like HTML, okay? It is used for to develop the user interface, view part. So all these topics we are going to cover. All these topics we are going to cover, okay, in development part. This is the second module. Understand everyone in the class?
Yes.
So after development, we have something called what? Come on. Integration. Here we are going to discuss about REST, SOAP, and also we have something called bulk. All these topics will cover. Then after admin, I already discussed about admin roles and responsibilities. Yes or no? Whatever 9 topics I written before, all these topics will cover in where? Come on, guys. In admin part. 9 topics. Above 9 topics. After that, we will discuss about CRM. After that, we will discuss about what? Lightning. So these are the topics we'll cover here. Total 6 modules. Okay. But these are the topics that comes under model part. These are the topics that comes under controller part. And this is the topic comes under view part. Clear everyone? Model, controller and view. Are no one speaking? Mayank, Monica, Satvika, Suvarna, Vaibhav. Clear?
Yes. Clear.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good, Monica. Fine. So this is all about theory. This is all about demo sessions, guys. The next topic, what I'm going to discuss is before I'm entering into the first module configuration, everyone should have an account in Salesforce Developer Edition. Do you understand what I'm speaking here? So how to create an account in Salesforce Developer Edition? How to sign up? Okay, guys, listen carefully. This point is very important. Good. If you want to create an account in Salesforce, go to URL. In the URL, type developer.force.com. What is this? Developer.force.com. Press enter button. Click here. Click on Browse Styles. Salesforce Developer Edition. Sign up for the Salesforce Developer Edition. Click here. Sign up for your Salesforce Developer Edition. A full-featured copy of the platform for free. Okay. Now I'm going to create the account in where? Developer Edition. See here. I need to enter first name, last name, email ID, role, your company name, country, postal code, username, all these things you need to finish. You need to enter. Okay, let me give some name. My name is Prakash. Okay. Actually, my name is not Sainath, guys. My name is Prakash. Okay. Email ID, vijayprakash2019. You should give the valid email ID here. Hello. Don't give the fake email ID. Why? Because after creating the account in Salesforce, you will receive a confirmation email from the Salesforce company, and there you can set your password. That's the reason. Don't give the fake email ID. You need to give the valid email ID. Am I clear this? Everyone in the class?
Yes.
Okay. And what is the role? What is your job in your job role? You're a developer, you're an architect, you're administrator, you're IT manager, or business manager, executive, your wish. Generally, I'm giving developer only. You can give any name, no issues at all. Company name. You have to give the company name. Generally, I'm giving CTS company because I'm working in CTS, Cognizant. And company name you can give simple, DS. Why DS? DURGASOFT. Okay. Hello. You can give any name. Country India, state Andhra Pradesh, pin code so and so I given. And the username here I given. Okay. What is the username? My username. My name is Abhigyan Vijay Prakash Sharma. I am taking the first letter of each from my name. A stands for Abhigyan Vijay Prakash Sharma. AVPS is my full name. AVPS1 I given at the rate ds.com. All of you understand why I given AVPS? Guys, my name is not Sainath actually. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
My name is A stands for Abhigyan, V stands for Vijay, P stands for Prakash, and S stands for Sharma. Understand? AVPS1. You can give any name, your wish, guys. AVPS1 at the rate ds.com. Go down, select the checkbox, and click on what here? Sign me up. Guys, Monica, Satvika, Suvarna, Vaibhav, Monica, Mayank, listen carefully. Creating an account in Salesforce is pretty easy. The way how you create the account in Google, same way we can create the account in Salesforce. It's a pretty easy, guys. It's a matter of maximum 30 seconds, 30, 40 seconds. That's it. Easy or difficult? Are Baba,
Easy,
speak out.
easy.
Vaibhav, Mayank, Monica, Suvarna.
Yes, sir.
Easy?
Yes, sir.
What is the message you got on the screen? After a few minutes, after a few seconds, you're almost there. Please check your email to verify your account. Okay, let me log in into my email ID, Gmail account. This is my Gmail. Of course, still I'm not yet received uh, any confirmation email. You need to wait another couple of minutes. Meanwhile, let me remove all these things unnecessarily. Zoom meeting, Zoom meeting. Bengaluru to Chennai. What is this? When? Takes some time, guys. Please wait. Oh.
It might be in spam.
No. Takes sometimes what happens is it takes more time. It's all depending on server, okay? It's not your problem. It's Salesforce problem only. Is everyone had your breakfast? Are no one speaking? Speak out, guys. Mayank, where are you from, Mayank? Look at this. Developer@salesforce.com. Open this. I got the mail from Salesforce company. Confirmation mail. And what is the button here? Monica, Satvika, Suvarna, Vaibhav, Mayank. Click on verify account. Okay, everyone please look at this. Enter a new password for avps1@ds.com. This is the username I given, right? And make sure to include at least 8 characters, out of which one should be number and one should be letter. So let me give the new password. What is the password I'm giving? YABCD1234. Confirm new password. ABCD1234. In what city were you born? Hyderabad. Click on change password. So we successfully created the account in Salesforce. Guys, understand how to create the account in Salesforce?
Yes.
Okay. So it's pretty easy, guys. Matter of just 30 to 40 seconds of creating the user account. Okay. After that, you can set your password. So I hope all of you understand the navigation steps. Okay. For that, we need to go to https www.developer. What is the site we need to open? Post.com. This site is used for what? Sign up, okay? What is the username I given? What is the password? ABCD 1, 2, 3. Is this clear now? How to create the account in Salesforce?
Yes.
Good, Vaibhav. Good all. Fine. Next. Let me start the first module in your syllabus. That is configuration. What is this? This is the first module. So before we all enter into Salesforce environment, before we all dive into Salesforce environment, let me discuss about some basic vocabulary. Some basic vocabulary, what we are using in Salesforce. Basic vocabulary in Salesforce, what we are using. The first one, app. Second one, tab. Third one, S-object. S-object means Salesforce object. Fourth one, field. Fifth one, data. Last and final one, record. Everything is clear? So these are the 6 important words that you need to understand before we enter into Salesforce. Understand everyone in the class?
Yes.
Okay. So I am not going to discuss about all these 6 important words in today's session. Tomorrow I will discuss, and also I will show how to create all this, both theory and also what is this? Practical. Both I will show you. Theory will explain. Practically I will show you how to create the app, how to create the tab, how to create S-object, how to create the field, how to insert the data and records. Practically I will show you in tomorrow class. So first 15-20 minutes, we will discuss about the theory regarding all these 6 important words. After understanding the theory, I will explain you practically how to create all these things. Understand Mayank, Monica, Satvika, Suvarna, and Vaibhav?
Yes.
Sir. Yes, sir.
So I don't want to stretch the class. I don't want to dump the subject at a time because it's already almost 1 hour 40 minutes completed. So I don't want to stretch the subject unnecessarily because you're getting confused. So we will continue the rest of the topics regarding basic vocabulary and how to create all these things in tomorrow's session. So tomorrow's session, will you come down at 8 o'clock? Guys? Mayank, Monica, Satvika, Suvarna, Vaibhav. Only tomorrow. You no need to attend every Sunday. Hello? Every Sunday, I'm not going to take the class. Only tomorrow I will take the class. Will you come down or not? Respond, guys.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Mayank will come. Mayank, okay. Vaibhav,
Yes.
will you come down morning at 8 o'clock tomorrow?
Yes, no problem.
Then okay. Mayank, okay. Monica, Satvika,
Yes, sir.
good. Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Don't miss tomorrow's class, Satvika. Satvika, tomorrow class is very important. Don't miss it. Miss it, okay?
Okay, sir.
Fine. And Suvarna,
Yes, sir.
good. So Monica is not responding.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow, don't miss the class. Tomorrow, I'm going to practically show you how to create all these things. Okay. If you miss tomorrow class, Monday class, you can't understand. That's why I'm requesting. If you want to attend, then only I will conduct the class. Otherwise, you don't want to conduct the class. If you give the 100% assurance, will you come to the class tomorrow or not? Hello?
Yes, I will come.
Then
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Then okay. So tomorrow, please come down at 8 o'clock exactly, same time, same link. Okay. I will take the class 8 to 9:30 max, not even 10 o'clock. Just 1.5 hours. That is enough. Okay. So I don't want to take your Sunday. Okay. Thank you. So that's all about the today's session. Regarding today's session, if anyone have any doubts, any queries, please ask. No doubts? Vaibhav, Maya,
What is the timing for Monday?
what, Monica?
What is the timing for Monday, sir?
Monday, 7 o'clock.
Oh.
Monday onwards, 7 o'clock only, 7 to 8.
Okay.
Okay, Monica.
Thank
you. Tomorrow at 8 o'clock, okay? Shall I stop the class? That's all, guys. That's all about the today's session. I'll catch you tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
But don't miss the class tomorrow. Once again, I'm repeating. Don't miss the class tomorrow,
It
okay?
will be demo class, na? Tomorrow's class?
No, demo sessions are completed, Vaibhav.
Okay, so
Tomorrow
we have to
onwards,
pay.
I'm going to start the practical sessions. Demo sessions are completed.
Okay, no problem.
Theory sessions completed, guys. Demo sessions are completed. Don't expect demo sessions. I took almost more than 4 hours demo sessions. Hello. 4-5 hours more than I taken. Tomorrow onwards, everything is practical. I'm going to start what? The configuration part tomorrow. That's it. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Don't miss the class tomorrow.